One of the biggest reasons people fail is because progress is invisible. Think about this. When you start something new, a new habit, a new skill, a new dream, you don't see results immediately. You go to the gym and your body looks the same. You study for an hour and you don't feel smarter. You work on your passion project and nobody notices. Your life looks exactly the same today as it did yesterday, and that kills motivation. Humans weren't designed for long-term patience. Our brains want quick results, fast rewards, immediate payoff. But the greatest things in life don't work like that. Progress hides in the background, your efforts are stacking quietly, changes are happening internally, skills are forming, connections are being built. You only notice it weeks or months later, but because the beginning feels like nothing is happening, people quit long before the magic begins. The truth is, you feel failure long before you see success. Most people don't last through that period, and that's why they fail. 2. People fail because they expect motivation to carry them. Motivation is exciting. Motivation feels good. Motivation gets you started. But motivation is temporary. Everyone feels motivated on day one. That's the easy part. Day one doesn't matter. Success is built on day 87, the day you don't feel like doing anything, the day you're tired, the day you're stressed, the day it's raining and your mood is low. That's the day that decides your future. People fail because they rely on emotions instead of discipline. But discipline is simply the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't want to. And the funny thing, discipline grows. It becomes easier, it becomes natural, eventually it becomes part of you. Motivation is a visitor, discipline is a lifestyle. Those who wait for motivation will always fail. Those who build discipline will always win.